Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Priyanka Chaudhary, your English language trainer, your English coach. Today, I am super excited to share with you a fun, unique, and very effective method for practicing English speaking at home. I know a lot of you are looking for different ways to build confidence in speaking English. And maybe you don't always have a speaking partner around you to practice with, right? Well, today's tip is going to completely change that. You can practice English alone at your home, and it's actually really simple. Well, today I will be sharing with you a completely, totally free way to practice speaking English anytime you want. All you need is a TV show, movie, YouTube video, and yes, any video that you enjoy. Just one little trick that you have to follow, and I call it mute and describe. Now, you might be thinking, what is that? I'll be telling you everything about this trick. What is it? Why is it important to follow? And how does it work? Everything. All you need to do is just stay with me till the end of this video to reveal this wonderful, superb trick that will not only help you to speak English but to think in English as well. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Alright, so here is the idea. Next time you are watching a movie, a show, or even a YouTube video, I want you to do something little different this time. Take a moment, pause the video, and hit the mute button. Yes, you heard that right. Mute the audio. Now I know you might be thinking, what? Mute the audio? How will that help me with speaking? Well, this is where the magic actually happens. When you mute the video, you become the narrator. You are going to describe what's happening on the screen in your own words, as if you are telling a friend what's going on in the scene. And don't worry about finding the perfect words. Just talk about whatever you see. Let's imagine you are watching a scene in a park. You could start by saying something simple like, I see two people sitting on a bench. They seem to be talking and laughing. The goal here is not to be perfect, but to start speaking and describing. Now, you might be wondering why this method is so powerful. There are actually a few reasons why it works so well. First of all, you are putting yourself in a real world situation where you have to think and speak at the same time. And since you are describing what's happening on screen, you are actually engaging your mind in active observation and turning that into words in real time. This makes your mind work faster, which is so important for fluency. Secondly, this exercise doesn't put any pressure on you. You are at your home, you are alone, and there is no one to judge you, and there is nobody who's listening to you. So, if you are making mistakes, it's absolutely fine. It's all part of the process. Just go with the flow and keep describing whatever you are watching on the screen. And here comes the third reason. This method helps you building confidence because you are speaking freely without any script. It's almost like talking to yourself, but with something visual to guide you. And the more you do it, the easier it will become to think in English and express yourself. Alright, now let's get into the steps to start practicing this method today. So initially in step number 1, you are supposed to just pick a video. It can be any video that you like, your favorite TV show, a movie scene, or even a YouTube vlog. Make sure it's a scene with a bit of actions, maybe with people talking or interacting, so that you have enough to speak or describe. And next, in second step, You have to watch the scene once with the sound on to understand what's going on. This will help you get a feel for the context, that what's actually happening. And here comes third step. Now rewind the scene and this time hit that mute button. With the sound off, start talking about what you see. Describe what's happening, the expression on the characters' faces, and what you think might be on in their minds. And here is the key part. Try to do this just for 10 minutes every day. Only 10 minutes. You will be amazed to see how much progress you will make by practicing this consistently every day. Now, let me give you an example, or let's try a quick example together. Imagine we are watching a scene of two friends meeting at a cafe. I'm going to mute the video and start describing what I see. Okay, so there are two friends sitting at a table in a busy cafe. One of them is holding a coffee cup and he's smiling. It looks like he's telling a story because he's gesturing with his hands. The other person is listening and she's laughing too. They seem really happy and relaxed. Did you see? You don't need to use any fancy vocabulary. You are just describing the scene as you see it. And if you get stuck, don't worry at all. Just keep going with whatever comes to your mind. The main point is to get comfortable speaking out loud. Now, I know some of you might feel shy or think, what if I make mistakes? But here is the thing. Mistakes are totally okay. In fact, they are a part of learning. If you just mess up, don't stop. Keep speaking. The more you practice, you will get better at it. And remember, no one is listening. It's just you and your screen. So give yourself permission to have fun with it. If you will keep thinking and you will be worried about your mistakes only, then how will you practice speaking? So just do not at all think about using fancy words or advanced vocabulary. Use the words that you already know, and gradually you will learn new ones. Over time, you will notice that you're able to describe things more naturally, that you're using more varied words. Just stay consistent with the practice. All right? Do it on the regular basis just for 10 minutes. You can take out 10 minutes, right? So, now let me tell you that what you can expect if you stick with this for a few weeks. After practicing this for even a short time, you will find it much easier to think in English. You won't have to translate from your native language in your head. You will just speak naturally and freely. And over the long term, this practice will build your confidence, which is really important to communicate really well in any language. Imagine going into conversations without feeling nervous or needing time to think about what to say. This is the goal. And with just 10 minutes a day, you are on your way. You can definitely be there. Now, let me give you a quick recap regarding the steps so that you won't forget doing it later. Number 1, pick a video with an engaging scene. Number 2, watch it once with sound to understand the context. Number 3, mute the video and start describing what you see in English. And number 4, practice for just 10 minutes a day. I'm repeating, it's only about 10 minutes. And that's it. This is such a simple yet powerful technique that you can do anywhere, anytime. So that's all about mute and describe technique. A super fun, easy way to practice English at home. No speaking partner needed. Try it out and let me know in the comments how it goes for you. If you enjoyed this tip and want more ways to improve your English speaking skills, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for joining me till the end. And as always, keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.